This is opportunity to Philippines to grab this US retired AH-1W attack helicopter. The United States Marine Corps, USMC, officially retired the Bell AH-1W Super Cobra. The final flight for the Super Cobra was held on October 14 at Naval Air Station Joint Reserve Base, New Orleans. This is after 933,614 flight hours for a period of 34-year career. Super Cobras were utilized in operations like Desert Storm, Iraqi Freedom, and Enduring Freedom. The AH-1W Super Cobra has served admirably and leaves a remarkable legacy of on-time, on-target attack helicopter support for our Marines, Program Manager for Light Attack Helicopter Programs, PMA 276, Colonel David Walsh said, as quoted by Bell. Quoting U.S. Marines, the Super Cobra is passing its legacy and mission to the Zulu variant, the AH-1Z Viper. Although the AH-1W chapter is closing, the AH-1Z Viper stands ready with even greater capability to support our Marines for years to come, Colonel Walsh said.